Meaning of indeterminate.
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 Indeterminate. Indeterminate means uncertain, undefined, or not able to be determined accurately. It is often used to describe a situation or outcome that cannot be predicted with certainty due to various unknown factors. When a result is indeterminate, it means that it cannot be classified as either positive or negative, or that further testing or investigation is required to reach a conclusive diagnosis or conclusion. This term is commonly used in fields such as mathematics, science, and medicine, where accuracy and precision are highly valued.